The T10 program at Reynolds. In partnership with Toyota Motor North America, Reynolds Community College offers the accredited Toyota Technician and Education Network program, or T10. One of only 38 schools in the U.S., the program at Reynolds is designed to address the growing shortage of skilled automotive technicians. Our T10 program delivers hands-on, real-world training using state-of-the-art tools and techniques. Students work directly on Toyota and Lexus vehicles provided by Toyota, ensuring they gain practical experience from day one. One part of the T10 program that students love are the paid internships. Through high-quality work-based learning, students earn while they learn, applying the skills they've acquired in the classroom to real-world scenarios. Graduates of the T10 program have a bright future ahead. With the associate degree, hands-on experience, ASE credentials, and state inspector's license earned while they are in school, students are well poised to earn Toyota Master Technician status with only a few extra years of experience after graduation. The career opportunities are vast. Many of our graduates secure full-time positions at Toyota or Lexus dealerships with competitive starting salaries. With experience and continued education, salaries can grow to over $100,000 annually. Join the Toyota T10 program at Reynolds and drive your future forward. For more information, visit www.reynolds.edu/TTEN.